Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, Today is the biggest day and great news for all the viewers because I am going to share with you the uh, jackpot of the day of the internet. So I'm going to share with you a trick method that you can easily earn make the that's why I said the title of the video is make first $1,000. Yeah, you heard right, you heard correct. $1,000 online from dropshipping and Amazon. So be ready, let's start it. First of all, I write it as in the search bar, make first $1,000 online from the dropshipping and Amazon. So I'm going to share with you some tips, and so I just click on first website. I'm going to show you. So once it open, I will let you know about it in the details. Sorry, my network is so poor network. In the Pakistan, network is very, yeah. So important notice, you have to read a few moments. This, please remember, you will not be able to see everything on the forum until you have logged in. Seller forum MC. This is for website, so just leave it and we go ahead. There are no more Amazon dropshipping new topics. Yeah, selling on Amazon, general selling questions. This, I think, this is not what we want to learn here. This is not for us. This is article one. So I go to the second one website. Yeah, start selling online from free. We are putting free trials. No, this is not. I found from some days ago about this, but not. I'm not finding it. I will share you. Please give me a minute for this. So, sell anywhere. Yeah, this is the benefit of the Amazon. We can sell it anywhere, everywhere. Set up your Evid store once to easily sync and sell across a website, social media marketplaces like Amazon, and live in person. Get started with one or try them all. You are getting it. Yeah, I know. Grow faster. Want easy to use marketing tools like MailChimp plus Google and Facebook advertising to grow your business fast. You got it? Yeah, I know you are so smart and you are getting me carefully. This is the key points of the crowd and manage simply. Yeah, this is the also benefit of the Amazon that control everything from a single dashboard with centralized inventory, order management, pricing, and more. So, fast implementation e-commerce platform in 2020. Yeah, if avid merchant revenue $4 billion, you can not imagine that. Avid App Store, take your store to the next level with new tools and apps from our Avid partner. So we are not supposed to do this now. I'm just introducing it. Manage on mobile, manage business on the go with the Avid mobile app. This is all about the Avid e-commerce website. Start selling online for free. Get started for free. First, suppose we can start to Avid course, so we just click on the get started for free, but we are not supposed to go on this website and for furthermore. So we just is dropshipping what's in this. If we want to know about more about the dropshipping and it's what, so we can just click here. Yes, dropshipping is still profitable in 2021. Yes, a lot of people are starting dropshipping stores now. But if you got the correct mindset that you are building a real business and not a make quick money store, then you are having a head start already. Yeah, first of all, we everyone want to make a lot of money, but we want quick uh, night. We want just we we earn money in a night, in a day, but it's not possible. It's quite it's quite difficult to make money. So it's also drop shipping is not a quick money earning way. We can make money from it, but it will take a lot of time. So this is the website for the more details. We just go on there. So is dropshipping is still profitable today in 2021 or not? Yeah, I've already answered of this question, but we will go on deeply. Are you wondering if dropshipping is still profitable today, even in 2021? Well, don't worry, you are definitely not the only one who questions themselves this. In this article, I will go over everything why dropshipping is still profitable or why it's not. Are you ready to find out if this business model is finally dead? Let's go. Yes, dropshipping is still profitable in 2021. This question came every year and will probably come in 2022 as well. Yes, a lot of people are starting dropshipping stores now. But if you got the correct mindset that you are building a real business mindset and not a make quick money store, then you are having a head start already. What is dropshipping and why do we people do it? Dropshipping, what is the and how it started today? So let's start by understanding what starting a dropshipping business means. I will explain it really simple to you. You got an email store where you sell products, but you don't have any of these products in your storage or in your house. Yeah, this is the one main point, and you have to remind it. Number two, when someone places an order on your dropshipping store, then you place that same order directly with your dropshipping supplier. Don't worry, there are a lot of apps out there that help you with automating this. For example, Overloo or these 15 Overloo alternatives. Thank you. Goodbye. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.